I can't believe it's here. We always said soon, and soon has finally come.
I've never felt as loved and as supported as I do right now. I could conquer the world with you by my side. I don't understand why the universe brought us together, or better yet, why it took so long. The path that we both took to get here may be winding, but I will forever be grateful that our paths did cross and have led us here.
Chris, my little nugget. To me, stopping mid-sentence and blurting out I love you, I still remember that exact moment and how I felt. I just could not go one more second without telling you I love you. It was the most overpowering feeling I have never felt before. You are it, the one for me. I think it has always been you. Even before I knew it, it was Chris and Kayla. C plus K.
Kayla and Christopher have brought us together today for an occasion of abundant joy and great celebration. Having found each other, they have built the kind of relationship that will serve them well as the foundation for their marriage. Marriage is a bold step into an unknown future. It is risking who we are for the sake of who we might become. Each of us knows that a marriage is not created by a law or a ceremony. Rather, it occurs in the hearts of two human beings. This ceremony is not magic. It will not create a relationship that does not already exist. It has already been celebrated in all of the commitments, both large and small, that Kayla and Christopher have made to each other. This unique painting will remain in their home to remind them that their lives are now joined. They are and will remain one family. You may now seal your marriage with a safe and hygienic fist bump. And with a kiss.
Makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life.
Our dear sister and friend has taken on a very important step in her life. She has chosen to move forward as a special man's wife that we have all grown to love.
You have such pride and passion in all that you do in life. We value your friendship and love who you are. Just being you has and will continue to take you so far.
After 17 years of knowing you, buddy, I tried writing down some things that I thought I could read. So hopefully I'll make this as short and sweet as possible. I want to start off by saying thank you for having us all here on this lovely day with you guys and enjoying this special moment with you. We've seen that life can be unfair and stressful at times, but I believe as long as you guys have each other, nothing will break that bond you have for one another. I look forward to seeing where this union takes you guys, and I can't wait to be a part of it.